First Minister, the message that I get from tourism businesses in Pembrokeshire is that they are struggling with a number of pressures thanks to disastrous policy making from your government and your colleagues in Westminster. Small business owners in Pembrokeshire running self-catering businesses are very concerned about the UK government's latest proposals on energy performance certificates, which is just another level of red tape for these businesses to have to contend with. Now, these business owners are already facing pressures due to the Welsh Government's 182-day threshold policy, and if the UK government push for tourism businesses to comply with energy performance certificate regulations, it could risk forcing many operators out of businesses. So, First Minister, the Welsh Government should be doing everything it can to support Wales's tourism businesses by looking at how it can reduce regulatory pressure and red tape. Therefore, can you tell us what representations you've made to the UK government in relation to energy performance certificate regulations, and what discussions have you had with tourism operators regarding this very specific issue?
Well, thanks very much. We have responded to the UK government consultation, and we've told them that our approach, the approach needs to consider the unique Welsh context. So we will consider if any action is required once the final policy position is known. But what I can tell you is that we are committed to tourism in Wales. The fact that the visitor levy could raise £33 million a year, that 90% of that revenue would stay in the local community. But also we need to make sure that those areas that do attract tourism are actually fit for purpose, and that's why I'm looking forward very much this Friday to the official opening of the Western Quayside Development and Riverside Shopping Centre in Haverfordwest. This is going to breathe new life into the town centre and takes up some of the £20 million Transforming Towns Fund that we have committed to transforming our town centres.